Hey, what's up, guys? So, breaking news, exciting news. I've been waiting for this for a while. This is in regards to ADU, accessory dwelling units. Um, Recently in past, Fannie and Freddie were just not eye to eye on this. They were not allowing, basically, if you had a single family and you had one ADU, they would allow it. They would not allow the rental income. If you had a 2 unit or 3 unit and had an ADU, they wouldn't technically do it. So we finally got some great news. Freddie is going to allow, if you have a 2 unit, 3 unit, and add ADU, they're going to allow the unit. They're also going to allow the rental income. So this could also, if somebody's buying an owner occ or investment, we were not able to use that, and this is causing problems with refis and purchases, especially here in San Diego when you can't use that extra $2,000, $2,500. So this is exciting news. They'll be on their standard guidelines. So if you're buying a 2 to 4 unit, it's an investment property, you're going to be looking at 25% down. If you're buying a single family with an ADU, that is considered a single family. You can actually do the standard, 95% down. If it's a 2 unit and you're adding an ADU, they're going to consider it 2 units, and you should still be able to do 15% down. There will be mortgage insurance on that, but I want to get this out to you right away. I also be circling back around with a mortgage coming out, which is out. I got to get more information on it from Freddie Mac that is going to allow, construction and stuff like that. But what they're going to allow is they're going to take the future value. So if you have a property and you're going to add an ADU, convert the garage, or maybe convert a room, or there's a storage unit or something like that, or there's just like some other building on the back that can be used as an ADU, they're going to allow 75% of the future value, and they'll give you renovation money. I will shoot another video on that. I am waiting to hear and talk to underwriters to get all the specifics on that. But share this, pass it out to your clients, for realtors, real estate investors, all this. A lot of people have been stuck where they're not able to refinance the properties they're selling. They're having problems with financing. Now we can go straight Fannie, Freddie, depending on the program, depending on the product you want, and we can fulfill those needs. So if I can help, reach out to me. Thanks, guys. Super excited about this news and breaking it to you guys right away.